So, my dear friends, hello, electric uncle, hat wale, again with you with a new project. You know, ours is a free education platform to help the needy students related to free education as well as to provide material to the students who are under poverty line. So, just we need your help to promote it. Watch, always subscribe the video. It is multi-tech education for you. A free platform for everybody for education, but material for the students below poverty line. We have just started. So, if you subscribe, push the bell, share it, it will be a great help to promote our this free education platform. At the moment, I am alone and pushing up the things, and we have so many contents, means whatever student want to learn, he can find in our videos like PCB designing, programming, coding, and lighting effects, LED effects, basic videos for basic knowledge. So let us start. In next part we will continue. So hello friends, now we are in the next part, and we will select the components from the library and start working on it. So just no need to drag, just put it here, select it there, and here our battery will appear. Click and then escape. If you want two batteries, you can click again, but we need one battery only. We will enlarge it from the zoom in. Now we will select the resistance. Just you have to click it first, then select the resistance 0.3 mm US symbol, and just click on that and bring it here. Click once and just bring your cursor on the sheet. So now we will select LED. Here is the symbol of LED. Just click this. You will find so many LEDs. So we will click here also 3 mm or LED. Just click it and bring it here. So here are the only 3 components. As a sample I show you. You will find so many components, and you can find it on the top also. In the search you can write the component name and it will come there. You know, at the top there is written one screen, so you can find the components from there also. Just press, highlight it, either use space or R button to rotate it. Or from the top also you can make rotation of it. You see, resistance, it will remain same as per the circuit. We have to rotate it. You see, I will first select it, and now rotate it from the top like this. So we have to place this as per the circuit. Then we will start wiring. Wiring is very easy. Very easy. Now it has come. You have to select now wiring from the top. You can move anywhere. You can rotate these components. And if the value is not coming for the battery like that, we can change the value also. Now we will start wiring. So we will select this wiring symbol and see the line, thickness of the line, and all the properties will come here. Attributes, you can say. So we have selected, just click it here. This dot will come by itself. There you have to stop. Now here click and come down. Here the dot appears, just click. So I told you, this is childish game. Seems to be difficult, but nothing. It is not so difficult. Easy EDA, really it is easy. So this is our circuit. Want to make little bit changes, we can make it. And you can just drag one component, the wire will come with that. So I want to make it in another way, so I just go to return. Just direct, you can click it, see, it is connected without wiring. Now from here, you can take it there, click, then left. Now I didn't click, so it will not come correct. So I will remove it again, because it will make a problem afterwards. So see, wires are not connected. So we will remove it. We will go back from the top, and again we will do. There should be continuity of wiring. Again choose the wire, just click at the dot, bring it down, click it here, now here. So now your wiring is complete. Now we don't need anything. So if by mistake you make something wrong, you can go back by that above symbol. So that's all. There are so many things. See, voltage, ground. This is volt probe. Of course we don't need it, but you can drag it from there. But we will put some VCC supply mark and the ground. We will bring the symbol and show where is ground, where is positive, where is negative. Now this is not the way to remove it, the component. It will remove total sketch. So right click and delete. Select, right click. And the same for the values. If you will any component, you will click, left click, then make right click, the attributes will come, value will come, you can change it. So now we will put the VCC symbol. This is positive. Just click it, bring from there. Now we will bring ground symbol and put it there, so that when you will make the board file, it will not come, but it will show positive, negative. Where will the positive of the battery, where will be the negative of the battery. Now see, this is complete in all. And name we can give for this circuit, or the company name afterwards. We can do the things. So now I am changing the batteries voltage, the name B1, I will write 12 volt or 9 volt DC. Okay, see, now B1 9 volt battery, it has come. There is written R1 1K, 3 mm LED. So it is complete in all respects now. And DRC it will change by itself. In other software we need to change. Just when you will change it to Gerber file, it will ask the errors. For errors there is a DRC file to select. So now everything is okay. We can convert it to schematic to PCB. Now our PCB board will appear after clicking it. You see, this is our board file. And here is also easy. It has both the systems. Now here we will use, in other words we call it router. You can select the PCB size, 2 layer, 1 layer. Of course we need 1 layer, but it depends. I have selected 2 layers, no problem. And the rectangular, round rectangular size, see, corners has become round of this PCB. Now we will bring the components in this PCB area one by one, and we'll try to put as it is shown in our drawing, the sketch what we are following, the circuit I show you before. So accordingly we will put it, and we will rotate them. Now we can make rotation from the top, see, very easy. Select and go at the top, just rotate it anywhere to make the things accordingly as per the circuit we have seen it. So just adjust it, make it straight, and you see the LED is flat, automatically it has come to the negative side. So after this setting we will select once, but sometimes it make mistake. When we select auto wiring, sometimes it miss the wiring. So there is another way of that from the local auto select system, but we will not prefer. You can make it by hand also, one by one you can take it. You see, now we have selected wire and we are doing wiring for the PCB board. It will come in the red color. Just click, go there, click, that's it. No need to continuously press the button. Just click, go there, then click. In the next part, we will make auto routing.